It's monster project time again. I'm either doing a fix, a modification, or just plain maintenance. But if you're wondering why I'm doing it myself instead of getting a dealer, click on the card. It'll take you to a video or explain why I'm doing it myself. I don't have a choice. I'll also have a link in the description as well, so you can check it out and find out what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Okay, so as I explained in my last update video, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning right now. Oops, my microphone where it's supposed to be. 5 o'clock in the morning right now. It's only 9 degrees, so I'm chilly. That'll change. My goal today is to get my wiring done. All my wiring, everything today. I'm running on no sleep. That's part of the reason why I'm shivering, just because my temperature goes up when I'm cold, or when I'm tired, which makes me cold. So just for new viewers who haven't seen this, I will show you the process of taking the seat off. This is going to be a multi-part video today. I have no idea how long this is going to take me. I have a feeling I'm going to have to change or completely rewire that top light. I don't know, but I'm going to get it done today. I'm going to regret it. I'm going to pay for this over the next few days, but so be it. It has to be done. I want to get this done because summer temperatures are pretty much here now for the next few days, and I want to go out and enjoy. I already missed yesterday, so I guess I should set my timer, shouldn't I? Keep an eye on what's going on here. Okay, timer is running. I do have some straps and stuff that I want to make a quick and easy lift strap for the seat. I just never got around to doing it. Hopefully soon. I do have the materials I need, but I can't see. Okay. Damn it. There we go. Oh. Get over there. Get away from that lever. So I start by putting the strap across above the frame but under the seat, right at the front to start with. No, don't twist on me. Okay, you going anywhere? You're not going anywhere. And then for support at the back, I just put it around the armrests. Oops. The whole thing, not just the access. Access can go over there. Okay, I can actually lower that a little more. I'm pretty... Whoa. Okay. That's better. I'm pretty limited to how high I can lift this, so the lower this is, the easier it is. What the heck? What? Oh my god. I'm pulling on the access. I wonder why there was no tension on it. Or did you twist? I don't want you twisting. Oh my goodness. Okay, access, go over there. That's the first time I've done that. Okay. No knots. You're twisting again. Okay, I am not directly over it, so pick the monster in manual mode, push it back. There we go. So the seat is now directly underneath it. Make it a whole lot easier. It's so much easier than it normally is. Oh yeah, I forgot about the seat belts. It's before I greased that post, I had to really yank on this thing to get it to come up. Oh. That's never happened before either. I just kind of set it down. And stand on the string doesn't help any. I have a clue what that noise was. Oh, come on. How did that get underneath? Oh, I know. When I rolled the monster backwards. So that's how I take the seat off. Normally I'm not stepping all over. What fell over here? Normally I'm not stepping all over the string. Okay, now I'm going to get some things done ahead of time. I'm going to take the cover off. I'm going to take the front panel off. And I'm not going to waste my video time doing that. So one thing I did notice... you see there, yes. So when I tested these wires to see if I had power in it, I didn't. That's not gonna work. Because this is normally an open circuit until I turn the switch on, which closes it. Right now, the wires are not attached to the light overhead. So whether this switch is on or off, it's still gonna be a closed or an open circuit. Very, very open circuit. So, what I am going to do is, okay, that's positive to here. As if I can avoid running a whole new wire through here, I will. I really don't want to be doing that. I'm gonna get rid of all these plugs too. I'm gonna solder these together permanently. Not like I'm gonna be like unplugging them all the time. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I still haven't got a new battery for that yet, is take this wire here, and that's coming from the positive, and I'm getting 26.7 volts. Okay, so we got power to the wire, which goes to the front. So now, I've got lots of wire. Okay, I need my mat over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. I just gotta split these wires. Okay, I'm gonna split these and I'm gonna strip them. I will pause the video while I do that to save time. So just the amount of time I took to do this, I've hurt myself 3 times already. This could be a long day. Alright. So I got this wire hooked to the front. I'm not sure which one that is, but I'm gonna find out. Of course. Wrong one. I got 2 to choose from and I picked the wrong one. Just because that's the way the day's gonna go. Try this again. Okay. I have power to the front. So now, okay, positive to here, and from here, we'll go up to the top. So if I connect these wires together, hook those wires together, which means the switch is turned on. Move the monster forward a little bit. What are you hitting? Ah, jack stand that fell over. Come on. Everything's gonna go wrong today. I can see it now. Okay. So, where is my exposed wires? Okay, they're down inside. So I will. Yeah, I gotta make sure I don't let these touch each other because that will blow my fuse. Okay, that's reading 0. I'm confused. I have power up there. Why? Okay, so I'm going to disconnect these again just to keep those from shorting up there. I'm going to test this again. Put this on. Okay. Turn the switch on. Okay, that scared me. Everything's working. So I've tested everything. There's power going to the front wires. The switch works. There's power coming from here back to the light. Why did I have no power up there? I have it now. On the plus side, that means I don't have to rewire it. But now I had to put everything back together and hope it still works the way it's working now. I'm so confused. I don't understand, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this. I don't know. I should cut that or not and just solder it directly. Because I'm just wondering if they don't fit super tight. Yeah, maybe I will, just to be sure. They don't, like, they're easy, they come apart pretty easy, so I'm just wondering if it lost contact, and by taking the electrical tape off, I made that contact come back. It's a guess, right? But I'll wire that directly. I'll cut the connectors off. I'll grease on my fingers now. I'll take the connector off and just wire it up permanently, solder it together. And then I gotta solder this back onto the front wire so I can hook up my switch. And I guess that was just, I was just wondering why I had extra wires. I guess it was just an extension. And I'll get that all done. Those connected. And then I will check to see if I have power at the back again with my switch turned on. And I hook up my light from there. But that will be part 2, because I just ran out of time for video part 1. But diagnosis is finished. It's working like it should, even though I don't know why it wasn't before. I don't know, but it's a good sign. I don't have to run all new wiring and everything, so I'm happy about that. I'll take that. We'll see what happens now. So that's it for this part 1 video.